As a tank facility with one or more tanks in an underground area, it's important to know and implement all requirements under the California Above Ground Petroleum Storage Act. For a facility to qualify, the storage tank must have a capacity to store 55 gallons or more of petroleum, located on or above the surface of the floor, in a structure at least 10% below the ground surface, like a basement, cellar, shaft, pit, or vault, and meet one of the following categories. Category 1. Tanks that contain petroleum as lubricants for motor engines, transmissions, or oil-filled operational and manufacturing equipment. Category 2. Hazardous waste tanks that contain petroleum. Category 3. Contains petroleum to be used for an emergency system solely in connection with a fire pump, an emergency system is legally required, or an optional standby system. Category 4. Tanks that do not fit into any of the previous categories but contain petroleum qualify as well. The structure in which the storage tank is located must provide for secondary containment of the contents of the tank, piping, and ancillary equipment until the cleanup occurs. The structure must allow for direct viewing on all sides of the exterior of the tank, except for the part of the tank in contact with the surface of the floor. The intent is to check for visible signs of leaking. The amount of space between the exterior of a tank and the wall or other surface is not specified in APSA. Please contact your local fire department for fire code requirements on separation distances. For double-wall tanks, direct viewing of the exterior is not required if inspection of the interstitial space are performed, or equipped with a mechanical or electronic device that will detect leaks. All piping and ancillary equipment, including vent lines, vapor recovery lines, or fill pipes that are beneath the surface of the ground must be viewable by a person or through the use of visual aids like mirrors, cameras, or video equipment. Remember, tank facilities with less than 1,320 gallons of petroleum are subject to APSA if they have a tank in an underground area. And if all requirements are not met, the tank will be subject to UST regulations. Lastly, a facility that has a tank in an underground area must prepare a SPCC plan and conduct periodic inspections. For more information about tanks in underground areas, visit our website. For more information about APSA, see Part 4.